Next, demonstrate how to crochet the belly. Take out the white yarn from the kit. Take out the hook from the kit. Extend your left hand. Hold the yarn tail with your right hand. Wrap around the pinky finger from top to bottom. Wrap from the back to the front of the index finger in front of the palm. Wrap around the middle finger from front to back. Wrap again to the front. Form a ring on the middle finger. Press the yarn tail at the intersection with your thumb and middle finger. The ring on the middle finger is where the hook goes in. Hold the yarn with your left hand like this. Hold the hook with your right hand like this. Insert the hook into the loop on the left middle finger. Insert the hook into the loop on the left hand. After inserting, pull the yarn through the loop. Yarn over to form a loop. The loop height should fit to hooks. If it's too loose, the crochet piece won't look good. If it's too tight, yarning over will be difficult. The height should fit to hooks. Slide the loop to the middle of the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the loop. The magic ring is complete. Crochet 6 single crochets in the first round. Make the first single crochet. Hold the loop with your right index finger. Keep the loop in the middle of the hook. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook. The 2 loops should be the same height. They should both fit to hooks. Yarn over again. Complete 1 single crochet. First single crochet is done. After completing the first single crochet, place a stitch marker to mark the first single crochet. Each single crochet forms a V shape. Place the stitch marker here. Pass through the entire V shape. Next, crochet the second single crochet. Crochet in the same loop. If the yarn slips off your hand, wrap it again. Wrap it the same way. Wrap around the pinky finger from top to bottom. Wrap from the back to the front of the index finger. Hold the piece between your middle finger and thumb. Start crocheting the second single crochet. Slide the loop to the middle of the hook. Hold the loop with your right index finger. Insert the hook into the centering. Yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Make them the same height. Yarn over again. Complete the second single crochet. 2 single crochets are done. Continue with the remaining 4 single crochets. For the third stitch, insert the hook into the loop and pull the yarn through. There are now 2 loops on the hook. Pull through. For the fourth stitch, insert the hook into the loop and pull the yarn through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. We now have 4 single crochets. The first single crochet is where the stitch marker is placed. When counting single crochets, each stitch forms a V shape. Count the number of V shapes. Now we have crocheted 4 single crochets. Gently tighten the ring. While crocheting, keep the yarn tail and the unworked loop together. While crocheting, hide the yarn tail inside the single crochets. Next, crochet the 5th single crochet. Insert the hook into the loop and pull the yarn from bottom to top. There are now 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Complete 5 single crochets. Continue to crochet the last single crochet. Adjust the loop height to fit to hooks each time. This way, the single crochets will be uniform in size. The piece will be even. Next, crochet the 6th single crochet. Insert the hook into the loop and pull the yarn through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops. 6 single crochets are complete. Tighten the yarn tail. After tightening, this round is almost complete. Finally, slip stitch the 6th stitch to the first stitch. Close the ring. For the slip stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch with the stitch marker and pull through. Yarn over and pull through the loop on the first stitch. The first round is complete. Next, crochet the second round. Second round, crochet 6 increases. After finishing the first round, you can remove the stitch marker. The stitch marker indicates the starting point of the second round. Before starting the second round, crochet a chain stitch. Yarn over, pull through. This is the chain stitch for the second round. Continue with the 6 increases of the second round. An increase means crocheting 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. First, crochet the first increase. For the first increase stitch, insert the hook into the first stitch of the second round. This is where we placed the stitch marker. It's also the location for the slip stitch. Insert the hook into the loop and pull the yarn through. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Pull the yarn through again. This is how you crochet a single crochet. On the first single crochet of the second round, form a V shape. After completing the first single crochet, a V shape is formed. Continue to place a stitch marker here, marking the first stitch. After the first stitch is made, insert the hook into the same stitch. Complete another single crochet. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Pull through the yarn. Pull through the yarn again. Now you can see 2 single crochets have been made in 1 stitch. Making 2 single crochets in 1 stitch is the method for an increase. Next, use the same increase method for the remaining 5 stitches. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull the yarn through. Yarn over again. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again. For the 3rd stitch, insert the hook into the stitch and pull the yarn through. Insert the hook into the stitch and pull the yarn through. Now we have made 3 increases. 3 increases correspond to 6 stitches. 1 increase means crocheting 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Let's count to see if it's correct. The stitch marker is at the 1st stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A total of 6 stitches. Now the 3 increases are correct. Next, crochet the 4th increase. Insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again. Make the 5th increase. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again. Now for the last increase. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, pull through again. Now, the 6 increases of the 2nd round are complete. There are 12 V-shapes. This round has 12 stitches. Let's count them. Start from the 1st stitch with the stitch marker. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Plus the last one, a total of 12 stitches. The 6 increases of the 2nd round are complete. After finishing the 2nd round, crochet a slip stitch. Slip stitch the last stitch to the 1st stitch, where the stitch marker is. To finish the 2nd round, insert the hook into the 1st stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. There are 2 loops on the hook. Pull the 2nd loop through the 1st loop. The 2nd round is complete. Remove the stitch marker. The 1st stitch of the 3rd round is where the stitch marker is. Before starting the 3rd round, crochet a chain stitch. Yarn over and pull through. The pattern for the 3rd round is 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times. Make the 1st single crochet. The 1st stitch is where the stitch marker is. Now insert the hook. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again. This is the 1st single crochet. After completing the 1st single crochet, it forms a V. Place a stitch marker at the V. Place a stitch marker at the V to mark the first stitch of the third round. For the second stitch, crochet and increase. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. This is the first single crochet of the second stitch. An increase means crocheting 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Insert the hook into the same stitch again. Yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. This is 1 single crochet. 1 increase. The first set of single crochet and increase is complete. Continue with single crochet and increase, repeating the pattern. Now start the second set of single crochet. Insert the hook into the third stitch. Yarn over. Yarn over again. Make an increase in the fourth stitch. Insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over. Insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over. Now 2 sets of single crochet and increase are done. Continue with the third set of single crochet. Third set increase. Fourth set single crochet. Fourth set increase. Fifth set single crochet. Fifth set increase. Sixth set single crochet. Sixth set increase. Now, 6 sets of single crochet and increase are complete. After finishing this round, there will be 18 stitches. Let's count them. The stitch marker indicates the first single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Exactly 18 stitches. The third round is correct. After finishing the third round, slip stitch to the first stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through again. Now the third round is complete. Next, crochet the fourth round. Before starting the fourth round, crochet a chain stitch. Remove the current stitch marker. The place where you remove the stitch marker is where you will insert the first stitch of the fourth round. Insert the hook into the loop. Start the fourth round. The pattern for the fourth round is 2 single crochets, then 1 increase. One set is 2 single crochets, 1 increase. Repeat this set 6 times. First, crochet the first single crochet. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through. There are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again. This is the first stitch of the fourth round. After completing the first stitch, it forms a V. Place a stitch marker here again. Now crochet the second single crochet. Insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Now there are 2 loops. Pull through again. These are 2 single crochets. Third, make an increase. An increase is made in 1 stitch. Making 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. This is an increase. This completes an increase. Now we've made 2 single crochets and 1 increase. Continue this pattern for the remaining stitches. Start the 4th stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over. Yarn over and pull through again. 5th stitch. Insert the hook into the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Insert the hook into the loop. The 3rd stitch needs an increase. Make another single crochet. Now 2 sets are complete. 3rd set of single crochets. Single crochet. Increase. Single crochet. Single crochet. Increase. Single crochet. Single crochet. Increase. Okay, last set. Single crochet. Single crochet. Increase. Now, the pattern for the 4th round is complete. After finishing the 4th round, there should be 20 for V. Let's count to see if it's correct. The stitch marker here is the 1st single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A total of 24 stitches. The 4th round is correct. After finishing the 4th round, continue with a slip stitch to the 1st stitch. Yarn over and pull through again. The 4th round is complete. The belly is complete. Now crochet a chain stitch. A chain stitch is made the same way as a slip stitch. Then tighten the loop. Now you can cut the yarn. Leave a long tail when cutting the yarn, because the belly will be sewn to the body. Leave a long tail. Remove the stitch marker. Okay. That's the belly.